Today we are going to learn about the microscope. The microscope is an instrument which is used to magnify the small objects which are not visible to the naked eye. There are several brands of light microscopes available. So there are subtle differences in each of them. Let's see the parts of a microscope. Eyepieces, binocular eyepiece tube, eyepiece tube clamp screw, the objectives, specimen retainer, mechanical stage, condenser aperture diaphragm lever, coarse adjustment, fine adjustment, stage lateral travel knob, and the field lens. So there are four objectives. The first one is the magnification of 4 times for the identification of most of the arthropods. Then the low power magnification of 10 times for the identification of helminthic eggs. The high power magnification of 40 times for identification of protozoan cysts and for confirmation of helminthic eggs and for identification of a perfect area to look for malarial parasites. Then the oil immersion of 100 times magnification for the confirmation of the stages of malarial parasites and species identification of filarial parasites. Turn the microscope on. Put the slide with the mounts on the microscope stage and focus on the mount with the low power objective. Move the stage up as much as you can using the coarse adjustment. Then gently lower the stage using the coarse adjustment until you get a clear image. Refine your image with the fine adjustment. Regulate light adequately with the substage diaphragm.